Welcome back to another Wildlife Wednesday. When most of us think of baby birds, we think of springtime. That's because most birds are laying eggs, building nests, and raising young in the spring or summer. And that cycle makes sense for many species. The longer days mean more daylight to search for food, and the berries and insects that many birds eat are plentiful. But not all birds are on the same nesting cycle. Some brave species, like this great horned owl, start breeding right smack in the middle of winter. In fact, these guys are starting to claim territory and lay eggs from the end of January into February. As you can imagine, laying eggs in the freezing cold is pretty risky. If they're not kept warm, they won't hatch. So why would species do that? Well, there's a few reasons. First, owls don't depend on insects, seeds, and berries like many other birds do. They're predators who hunt for mice, voles, and other animals that are available all winter long. Owls also must start early because their young have a lot longer childhood than many other bird species. They have a really long incubation period, which means they have to sit on their eggs for about 35 days. And when their young do hatch, they're what scientists call altricial young, which means they're born without feathers and closed eyes and totally helpless. They need a lot of time to grow and mature. So by great horned owls starting very early, their young have plenty of time to grow, learn their hunting skills, and practice during the summer months when the weather is milder and prey is plentiful. Owls aren't the only ones laying their eggs in the winter. You'll start to see other species like eagles claiming their territory and building their massive nests in the next few weeks as well. And some birds breed any time of the year as long as food is plentiful. A great example of this is the red crossbill. As long as there's lots of pine seeds around, they'll breed really any time. So remember that while spring is the boom for baby birds, species can be breeding all year round. Thanks for coming to another Wildlife Wednesday, and we'll see you next week.